Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable and disable effects on TikTok. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first, you want to click on the plus sign at the lower part of your screen so that you can start taking your videos. And now, as you can see at the left side of your capture button, there's a effects option. So just go ahead and click that. And then now you can So now you can just go ahead and choose any filters that you want. So for example, this one. So when you have the filters that you want, just go ahead and click on it. So as you can see here, I already have the effects. Okay, so I already have the effect. So now if you want to remove that, just go ahead and click again on the effects button and click on the filter that you choose. Or also you can click on this cancel button. It is the circle with a line on the inside. It is in the left side of the search bar. Okay, so now as you can see, the effects is now disappeared or gone. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.